This is a show about drag queens doing dumb shit.
Talking bullshit.
Talking shit!
We are your Broadgay queens, and welcome to the Broadgay Broadcast episode 6! Ikaw anom na. You got a big ego, such a huge ego. You got a big ego. It's too much.
Ego na day.
Ego na day.
Ego na.
That was by Tita Beyonce with a song entitled Ego, which is our topic for episode 6, right?
Yes, yes.
Please define ego.
Thank you so much.
Oh, unsa ego, Dar?
Ego. If stop na, ego na.
Paano ko dar, no? Pag drug daw.
yeah.
Chara, check ka. Pero ego, Dar, do you believe in ego? Check.
But diba, it's related to pride, so pride sa mong self.
Pero how do you define ego? Personally, like, not technical nga definition
yeah.
ha, but like, based on your
Based on the
beliefs,
judges' critiques.
understanding, on your social-political standing in society,
Actually.
how do you define the word ego?
I think for me, Char,
For you, Jud?
kanang the sense of self and pride in how you carry yourself. Kanang sense of self.
Same na lang may answer. Hindi ka police.
Pero, di ba, when they say the word ego, usually medyo negative man siya of connotation, no? Nga ma-ego ka, right?
Ego
More siya,
ka.
i-push mo na siya. Wala mga comedian.
Sige na,
More siya almost synonymous to pride.
Oh yeah.
Actually,
No, ang ego,
true,
di ba?
yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
As Miley Cyrus for this
Are we
episode.
correct?
The celebrity guests.
Oh,
Beyonce,
yes!
o si Miley
Hello!
Cyrus.
Beyonce, Miley Cyrus, ug si Amy Winehouse. Oh, manang peg for today's video. Hi guys! Charma siya. So, ego,
Yeah.
no? Ego ka nagwe?
Ego na.
Char check ka.
Thank you so much for coming.
Pero I believe nga, ego.
Ego. Ego, go, go!
Ego, go, go! Ano matubag? Pero kuan, sa mga dyan ako sulti.
But for you, what's an ego? For me, it's sense of self and a pride.
O siya nakatubag, wala yung sirada
For the
i-die.
sense of sight.
Ay, sight!
Even sense
Chikara. Sense
Hearing.
of-
Char. Kuan, for me, ang ego is kanang imong mura siyang ma-compare na ko og pride ang ego actually. Kang mura siyang imo bang ano say term ano Bisaya man oy. Murag
Garbo.
garbo.
Ba?
Kana ba?
Sakto no,
O
garbo.
pasigarbo. Garbo ba kana murag ego?
Garbo.
Kana siya. But di ba in psychology na na siya level?
Yeah, ego, super ego.
Ah!
Sigmund
Kung
Freud.
super ego, sakit na siya. Kahit
Super
ikaw
ego.
siya na super
Wala siya
ego
gatong sa
siya.
ABS-CBN, di ba? Huwag kang bibitiw.
Super ego.
Super ego.
It is super ego.
Comedian po ko rin.
No.
So,
Comedian
id,
is Taylor Swift.
Ego,
Taylor Swift.
super ego.
pakidefine.
I don't remember, but thank you so much for
Psychology
asking.
ba?
Ah, psychology
Oo,
man ka,
psychology.
no?
No, fun. Ako ng term paper sa high school.
Ay, wow!
Yeah. Pero na ako kinumdum, so ayun lang ako pangutan.
Term
Dito. Is it a term?
Parang yan, colored.
Wow!
Shika.
Bond paper.
Oslo paper.
Unsa may laming ikuan about ego? Ako, I don't think I'm someone nga ma-ego. Kay,
Egotistical.
yeah, di ko egotistical kayo. Kay, I tend to think of other people man
Ako,
most of the time. Because when you're egotistical, you think mostly of yourself. Right? Pag
You
na,
know people.
mura siya naapot
Yes!
pagka,
I know people.
di man selfish, but you tend to
Prioritize.
see yourself as murag
See yourself
above
first, siguro. Ano,
someone
and
else or
mura siya
other
selfishness,
people.
eh.
Murag ma-pride jud ka ba ka ng taas yung paglantaw sa imong self.
Yeah.
Nga murag gamay rang bikil.
Murag si
High
Blanc.
Murag
self-esteem, but derogatory.
naabali siya dumagati karon. Charot!
Catching
Pero
strays.
ako, personally, I feel like wala, di ko maigo nga pagkatawag kay I am someone who likes to, di man po ko selfless, pero mas conscious lang jud ko sa other people nga mo give away ko sa ilang mga feelings, silang mga thoughts. But ikaw, Dar, do you think egotistical ka nga pagkatawo?
Siguro, before,
When man ni siya nahitabo?
mga 2 days ago. Siguro before, murag, as of now, manggod.
As of now.
Growing ko bitaw, kanang maybe karon mas siguro because of the things na naagian na nato. And maybe
Asa
sign
man
of
ka ni
aging
Agi?
as well.
Charot.
Crossing look right. Just, as growing up, bitaw growing, kanang murag karon ba kay mas ma-realize mo?
Maturing is your
Maybe
maturing.
that's maturity siguro.
O sana all ni mature. Dili ba tanang nigulang
Not
kay ni
all man. Like,
mature?
karon,
Sama
there are
ni-
really things nga I need to learn for myself as a beauty queen. Beauty pageant today.
As
Bita ka na lang
Miss
siya.
Universe.
Murag karon magod kay I really don't care sa murag. Ano.
I feel like a lot of us grow out of it man, ang pagka-egotistical nga kanang pagka-self. For sometimes when you're egotistical,
Self-absorbed.
napagka pagka-self-absorbed, pagka-selfish, ikaw pinakamaayo. Sama ni...
Ay, sometimes inana ko.
Pero I feel
Pero
like,
di ko kalupit si Blanc.
ang ego mo good, I think it's required yun para pod ka, you can, kanang fight for yourself. Diba?
Siguro it's a way of showing confidence nga for people, for you to para ma-think nila nga marag okay, marag untouchable ni siya.
Untouchable? Abot na gagawin. Kamanton.
Wala I mean ka nang dili ka mabasta-basta, something like that.
Pero
Pero na ba niya,
confident.
ang term is pasikat.
Murag si JP.
Kailan na?
What? Ano ba si JP
True.
today? Wala dahil si
Yes,
JP.
as an audience siya today.
How about
Shout
ikaw,
out.
Kuan, Madam Manengneng? Do you believe nga egotistical ka nga pagkatawo or dili?
I don't think so. Pero basta like the way I come off para nila silang
Dili siya
pag-perceive.
ego.
Kinsa man ni sila?
Ay, wala.
Mention
Wala.
names.
Sure lang ko ba?
Charot.
Like, na ilang panglantaw
Juan
na ako.
Sharon,
But I don't think
ego. Iguana.
Okay,
Correct.
Green be sure. Bright ka kung doon. Habay ito nga joke.
I love it.
Iguana.
Sa Beyonce, taron.
Oh, go pa tayo
Going
natin.
back, yes.
Sige.
I mean, no.
Someone shot. Without one ka.
Ego.
If you consider yourself egotistical.
I, no. Personally, dili. Pero basig paglantaw sa pang tao, the way I come off para nila na, alam ko man siya naman. Pero, wala na.
Pero-
Overthinker lang.
Perception ng good is not sa atong control. Diba? Kasi
Pero more, ang ego manggod kay most likely, it's the external thing manggod. Usually, mo'y ginahuna-huna sa uban. Like sa gingon ni Maningning ba? For her, for her, it's very natural lang. Just being her, just being kinamay. Pero the other people around
Pila
you,
kay siya nga. Like,
Yes,
pila po ganing
oo.
mama. Si Maningning siya.
Correct. True.
Egotistical kay
Actually,
siya.
inana dyan ng mga ubang tao. Judgmental na siya.
Ba't wala mong buti mabuhat anak kay that's their perception
Yes.
of who we are,
Correct.
diba?
True.
It's not like all the time ang pud nga maglakaw tas at sa world nga maguna tag I wonder how people see me. Kasi it's gonna be unfair for you if that's how you
Yeah.
live your life. Because you can never impress everyone.
Correct.
Diba?
Live your truth, yeah.
Seryoso ka
Actually, I know someone.
Ay, nanganas dumagate ka ron.
Yes, kanas dumagete ka ron.
Naan siya house sauna.
Naa.
Ah!
Oh my God. Si
Kaya kibalik ang
JP.
balay.
Charot. Si JP na siya. Siya sa una.
Ay, House of JP.
House of JP. Correct.
But I feel like, kamo ba, if you consider someone as egotistical, so turn off siya para ninyo? Like right away. Nga, ay, saka ka egotistical mo ni si Uncle. Ako bet.
Yeah, I guess, like, Kaya mo po perception ng tao na, ay, nga siya pagkatao. So, hindi na lang ko.
Ay! Bitaw! First mo nagyamod mo ni, Kuya Wad.
Blind
Ikaw,
item.
Dad, do you
Siguro
believe?
depende sa level.
True, kaya naman yung mga levels.
Kaya naman yung ban nga, like,
no?
ma-consider
Care
ni mo,
pa.
ma-consider ni mo as egotistical, pero like, healthy pa siya paminaw. Lamig ato direct.
Lamig to,
Kailangan
apart, healthy pa.
siya. Healthy ang term.
Go,
Pero na
go,
yung ban
go.
nga, murag, too much.
Medyo okay na.
Wala gina, pasikat ra kaayo.
No.
Hello!
Hala, kuban kayo na i-gout sa'yo. Check! Sobrang ka ego gigout. Charing. But I believe that there is a certain level of ego nga medyo healthy pa siya, especially if you're trying to establish your identity.
Correct.
It's good man good nga you have a good sense of who you are as a person.
True.
And I feel like ang imong ego mo help ana. Right?
Yes.
Self-confident.
Yeah, self-confident.
May confidence.
For
ka.
them,
Oo.
wala ra gyud siya. Like, murag, genuinely.
As a judge spell.
Murag genuine ra kay mo, like, ang ilang
Si
approach.
genuine? Si Lilith si genuine. Charot.
Like, genuine na kailang approach
Check
na, for them, wala ra gyud. Murag, it's being me, I'm just being like this. So like, mura gina nga, people tend to judge ra bang. So like, we really don't know good the story behind.
Okay, in front naman dito usually, no?
Di masyado
The story
ba?
in front.
Front.
Charo, check. But yes, with drag,
Right.
there are a lot of, I think, if drag queen ka, you have to have a big ego.
Yeah.
Alter ego even.
Uh-huh.
Diba? Because like ako personally, dili man jud ko super outgoing ang pagkatawo. But every time I put on a wig, mag-makeup ko, mag-costume ko, it does something jud to me. Nga mura jud ko
Personality
ma-change jud siya.
Hannah
diba?
Montana.
Feel kini nga.
Oh, mura
gwapa
jud ko
kay
si
siya.
Hannah Montana.
Best of both worlds.
Oh.
Hannah Beshi.
Walang nilag filter akong pictures. Chara, check. Diba?
Yeah.
I think it's very important. Don't you think so?
Yeah. I feel very dominant if kanang mag-drag ko. Wow!
Ah!
Feel ako kay superior. Mura jud pretty kayo, no? Something like, it's my own way manggod po to express myself as a drag queen. So, wala magbuot.
Okay.
Pero ako, at least akong pagkahilas kay mapanindigan.
Di ko sure.
So, ikaw,
Chara. Hala.
ikaw,
Panindigin na.
if naminaw ka,
Ikaw. Panindigan mo. Chara. Saksi. Chara.
panindigit.
But yeah.
Ang key of kuan, bantay flat.
Wala. Familiar kay singer po. Hala! Check. The only singer.
I-jogging mo yan.
Charing!
Direct,
Check
i-jogging
ka
na na.
Bitaw. True. Kanapalit na... Check! As long as ang imong ego kay gikan siya sa limpyo nga pamaagi. Okay,
Okay ra.
siya. As long
Basta
as
limpyo ang ego.
Limpyo ang pamaagi nimo. Mapalit ra jud siya tanan.
Correct.
Sayop. But don't you believe, di ba, ikaw, taod-taod naman kang drag queen compared na mo.
Yes.
Ay, medyo,
Mga decades na kaday.
medyo, kung ano jud ka, Mesozoic era naman jud ka sa una.
For me, akong drag is just like an extension of myself.
So, asa ka tama, extension mo na ika.
Mga pinaka-fit.
Sige, go. Padayon mo na, may katawi.
Sorry.
Baka iguana ka. Charot.
Yeah, extension of myself. So, in terms of anak, I feel na ko, same lang ko in and out. But in terms of my artistry, dito na ko ma-explore most of it.
Like this, for example,
yes.
right?
Actually, ang drug persona magod niya, it's very, very her. Here in Duma, there's no other maningning yun.
Ay, maaman mga unom.
Sige.
Charot,
Kung na ang show. Let's go. Mo to siya. So, very her.
Medyo unique mong put ang for me personally, medyo unique ang persona ni Maningning in a sense. Medyo campy ka.
Camping.
Oh,
Na may
may
dagang
Boy
campy pa here,
Scout,
but
ano.
dahil agad yung pagka-campy. Very witty, very,
Kampestuhan.
Sorry, scam.
Medyo very,
Forrest Campy.
very siya ka ng pop culture savvy.
Ay, wow.
Savvy. Galang sa savvy.
Savvy.
Anong masasabi mo?
Madugay mo kung medyo doon. Butik mo kantok ko.
Correct.
But yeah, you're very pop culture savvy mong branding as
Wow.
a campy queen.
Thank you for the consideration.
So moto siya, guys. Basically, when I talk about ego, sometimes it's important, but there is a fine line, Jud, all the time, right? Nga, we
Ego
shouldn't
na lang.
cross.
Ego.
Ego na Jud tingali.
Super ego na, Jud.
Super ego
Aray.
na Jud tingali. So moto siya, guys.
Ang
Lami
ego.
ra. Na-ego ra Jud mo lang
Lami ra
15
ego.
minutes. So again, thank you so much for watching another episode of our very fruitful podcast. Very informative, very
Offensive.
otherworldly.
Very offensive.
Very-
Very personal.
Talk of
Yes.
the town.
So, hopefully, inyong ego dili mo inflate by watching us. Basta
Yes.
kay, limpyo ang pamaagi.
As long as,
Medyo na
sa
siya.
reggae with direct, as long as
Health.
healthy.
Healthy.
Wala tayong coordination.
Sige. As long as healthy.
Scripted.
Goodbye!
Bye!
Hi, it's Maningning, and I hope you enjoyed our episode. And if you want us to discuss certain topics, or if you have stories that you want to share to us, you can message us through Instagram, Facebook, or X. Simply search Table 12 Productions and send in your suggestions there. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you on the next episode.